Meet the fire-foraging kite, a master of survival in the wild. This bird has a unique hunting strategy. It uses fire to flush out its prey. The kite waits patiently for the chaos to unfold. As animals escape the fire, the kite swoops in. Its sharp talons are perfectly designed for the hunt. This technique showcases the kite's intelligence. It's a remarkable example of adaptation. The fire-foraging kite plays a crucial role in its habitat. Nature's balance often relies on these unique behaviors. The kite's hunting method sparks curiosity and awe. In the wild, survival is a game of strategy.